Everybody, thanks for watching Survey Homestead. These are brand new blades for a riding mower. 2 blades, nice and shiny. Not a real sharp edge, so I'm going to touch it up with the file. This little ramp here is there to throw the grass up, hit the bottom of the deck and fall back down and get hit by the blades again, so it chops it smaller. And also you have a sharp edge here and a sharp edge here. See, sharp edge higher than this one, so it chops the grass in 2 different places. So it's hard to tell if they're straight or not, but these are brand new blades. They're supposed to be this way. These blades hit a stump. Not a whole lot of difference, except that this twist is a lot more extreme than it should be. It should be like this. See that? So be careful, don't hit bricks and stumps with your lawnmower blades. Then you have to buy some new ones. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. See you on the next one. Much better. I feel sorry for the nice lady who this happened to, but now she'll have some brand new blades.